Yo, I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know why. All of my vlogs started in the front of my house. Irrelevant. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Bit Bliss. Back at it again with another episode of A Bit of Bliss. This is gonna be episode 2, and today we are going to the beach. South Beach to be exact. Yo, why are they screaming? Why? Whatever. So today we are going to South Beach for my little cousin's birthday. And I really don't think I have like a saying in this, so I'm kind of forced to go, but I really don't mind. I love the beach. The beach goes hard, especially if you live down in Miami. Take a vacation to Miami. This shit hit. I'm so blessed. We all so blessed. Everybody who lives in Miami, we all blessed. Yeah, I know y'all bitch about the traffic. A lot of the times, everybody who lives here, like, if you're in the car with them, they're always bitching about Miami traffic, but it's 100% worth it. I don't mind. I love Miami. Pero far till I die. So I woke up not that long ago. I woke up like, oh shit, look, the tripod. I woke up like an hour or two ago. I'm pretty freaking tired because yesterday, you know, you just gotta wake up, you gotta hit the drill a little bit. I kind of have to take a shit.
Oh my lord. But can you take a shit while you brush your teeth?
I'm clouty, fool. I'm clouty, nigga.
I need to eat something, bro.
Me too. Preach. Preach.
Shut the window.
I'm hungry.
Why would you guys try to eat? I just ate some steak.
Nah, I'm trying to eat. I'm thirsty. I need like a gallon of water. At least a gallon of water.
We're already, bro. We're so late.
I said we go by Taco Bell. We're jumping on the highway.
Taco Bell, I'm down. Down skis.
You guys get Taco Bell. I'm trying to be great.
Bro, you look good. You don't need a little. Why wouldn't you look? You look good. You look sexy, girl.
You know, for real.
Sky.
I'm not kidding.
But they're gonna videotape me strangling you. That's what they're gonna fucking videotape me doing.
Okay, guys.
Stop, you can't put a lovely wife out there like that. Don't expose her. Don't expose her!
Don't expose her!
Just don't deal with it at all.
Don't expose her! Don't expose her! You're gonna expose her.
Yeah, go follow my mom at.
So what's the plan? We finna go to Taco Bell, my nigga. I'm hungry.
Taco Bell.
But where's Taco Bell? Let's talk about that.
I can't eat Taco
Isn't Taco Bell that way?
Oh, lady, watch out. Hit me by back. Hit me by back. Go hit me by front.
Hit it from the back. I ain't gonna do it. Yo, what's the play today?
There ain't no place today.
I'm gonna try to hit a backflip today.
I can do a backflip.
I'm gonna do a backflip for the vlog.
I can do that.
Say I will. We just put up the Taco Bell. Finna munch out and then we ride to the beach.
Vegetarian burrito.
A vegetarian burrito? You ugly.
Yeah, only beans. With no red sauce or onions, but I want it supreme. I want it with the lettuce, tomatoes, and the cheese.
If you get the 12-pack, it comes with the bean burrito. The 12-pack. Ask her. Yes, it does. It comes with 2.
And let me get the 12-pack. Half and half. That comes also with a bean burrito as well, right?
Random package this way.
When you go to Sunset, then you gotta go down and grab the part.
I think this is a nice drive.
o'clock at night. I'm really tired, but I'm really hungry. And I'm kind of craving sweets. So for right now, so we got Fuego on the way. We got Betty Crocker Rich and Creamy. We got 2 of them. 1 room temperature. Perfect. All smeary. Easy to put on the cupcake. It's actually a cupcake, believe it or not. It looks like a muffin, but it's actually a cupcake with carrot cake. And then we have frozen frosting. Stay tuned, guys. Say hi, kiddo. So 3 out of 4 was done with my cupcake with frozen frosting and regular frosting on top. And I actually forgot to record what it looked like because I was really hungry. Oh, shucks. Now, what are you looking for? Good morning, YouTube. It's currently, I don't have the time, but I remember seeing it on my phone. It's 11:30. So yesterday, after making those cupcakes, I was supposed to come to my room, take a shower, edit the videos, and upload them by 12 last night. Instead, I finished the cupcakes, ate the cupcakes, came to my room, showered, laid on the can't even talk, you feel me? Head boy. So I went, took a shower, laid down in my bed, as soon as my head touched the pillow, I said, everything turned black. I was so slumped. So yeah, I didn't make the closure last night. That's why I'm doing it right now. Unfortunately, yesterday at the beach, my phone was acting up and it wouldn't let me record past 10 seconds. I have no idea why I did that, but I woke up this morning and then I updated it to the iOS 11 and hoping that it would work. And if you're watching it right now, this video already passed 10 seconds. So I guess it worked. The more, just like in anything, the more you do something, the more practice you have with it, the better you're gonna get. And since I just started, I feel myself like being like a little bit like shy and like not really shy, but like it's just hard to vlog, to think about what you're gonna say at the same time as you're having the pressure of the camera on you. And I feel myself like getting accustomed to it already, and this is only my second solo vlog. So the longer I do this, the better I'm gonna get at it and the more comfortable I'm gonna feel talking into a camera. And then we finna get lit, we finna turn up. You're gonna go everywhere with me, see all the adventures, see all the parties. So if you don't already, go subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and like this video. Kim Blissy out.
In the kitchen, wrist twisted like a stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like a stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like a stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like a stir fry. Whip it. Keep watching.